Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make batch payment in Xero. So first of all, let me show you outstanding bills. So for that purpose, I'll come in purchase overview. You can see a waiting payment option. So once you click here, you will get the outstanding bills. Okay, I can make payment one by one, as well as I can make payment by selecting multiple bills, or I can make uh, by selecting all the bills in one shot. Okay, I can also enter planned date of payment. Okay, let me show you. You need to click here, then you can select the date. Okay, and to remove planned date, you need to again click there, and you can click on remove planned date. Now let's make payment of all the invoices. I simply select all the bills and will click on make payment option. I have already created payment account, that is cash account. So whenever there are situation where we make bulk payment on one particular day, then this kind of option is suitable for us. So I simply select cash account and choose payment method, create a payment file or mark as paid. I'll simply select mark as paid. So once you select that, you need to enter bank detail, payment date, payment reference, narrative. Fine. And here bank account detail is not mandatory. Fine. You can change date from here. Similarly, you can enter payment reference. Then you can enter narrative. After entering all the data, I'll simply select create payment. Okay, your bill payment was successful. I simply click on finish and view batch. So you can see our batch. Okay, now let me show you again outstanding bills. You can see it has been removed because all the bills has been paid. So it will come in paid category. Let me show you. Okay, there are 6 bills. Now let me show you the cash account. I have added cash as bank. Fine. I simply select on account. You can see the transaction and status is unreconciled. And to reconcile, I simply click here, and from option menu I can mark as reconcile, I can edit batch, I can remove and redo particular transaction. Let's click on edit batch. So we'll come in editing mode, so I can remove the data, otherwise I can change or make modification in data. Similarly, I can also export files from here. Okay, let's simply click on mark as reconcile. So you can see our transaction has been successfully reconciled. Okay, you can see the status. And to unreconcile, I'll just click here and click on OK. So in this manner, we can make batch payment in Xero. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.